Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by going into Devices keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top on the right. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Now scroll down in Samsung keyboard settings and tap on voice input. After that, apply Samsung or Google One by clicking on the chosen one. When you finished, go back to your keyboard and tap on the now visible microphone. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. In order to stop, click on this blue button with a white microphone. And to start again, click on white button with a blue microphone. If you wish to go back completely, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!